Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today I'm going to teach you about the parallel connection of resistors. Now here's a diagram showing two resistors connected in parallel. But what do we mean by parallel connection of resistors? When two or more resistors are connected side by side, like this, R2 is placed beside R1, maybe another resistor R3 will be placed beside R2, and so on and so forth. So when the resistors are placed side by side, they are said to be connected in parallel, unlike the series connection which is connected end to end. This one, the parallel connection, is connected side by side. So resistor R1 and R2 are parallel. In this case, the current I will split at this junction when it comes here. When the current moves from this voltage source and comes to this point, it will split into two. One will go here and the other one will come here. Hence, is represented by I1 and I2. So in this case, I1 plus I2 will give you I. So maybe if the current here is 5, here the value that enter here will be, if you add the amount that enters here and the amount that enters here, it will give you 5. So I will be equals to I1 plus I2. And when the resistors are in parallel, the voltage across them is equal. So V across this R1 is the same voltage across this R2, but the current differs. So the equivalent resistance is given by 1 over equivalent resistance equals 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 till the total amount, till plus 1 over R3 till 1 over Rn. So if you are given any number of resistors connected in parallel, you add all of them using this formula. So this formula is for n resistors in parallel. Now, there is a special case where two resistors, R1 and R2, are in parallel. In such a case, the equivalent resistance is the product of the two resistance of the resistors over the sum of the resistance of the two resistors. So it will be product over sum. Because if you say R over equivalent resistance equals 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2, if you find the LCM will be R1, R2. So then you multiply it by both sides. So you get R1 plus R2 over R1, R2. Then if you take the reciprocal of both sides, you get this, the product over the sum. So if you have two resistors that are in parallel, this is the formula. You can use it. You can use it quickly to find the answer, to find the equivalent resistance. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.